gonna be back.
Look at this stand. I really use this on this.
Same one.
The same
That's the
one.
one I've got.
But you know what? Same on,
That's
yeah.
the same one.
Okay, one day you will be the successful content creator, just like me. Okay, as you started with this same.
Oh, he wants to know at which district.
Yeah,
Is that how you say it?
yeah. You can say to him where I'm from. Actually, I'm from Khulna city. Yeah.
Okay, that's how you pronounce it, Khulna.
Yeah. You should know that. You should know that. As I'm a West, we are going to make another beautiful word very soon.
I know, Khulna.
Are you listening to me?
Yes.
So as I have got a news, America is going to terminate TikTok application. So is there any big issue with that?
So I kind of feel like maybe it won't get banned. I kind of like TikTok because I have 3K followers on there. I really want to get monetized on there, so I really don't want it to get banned. And I mean, Chinese people can buy land over here, but TikTok is a problem.
USA really perceived this kind of stuff as well, so that's why they are trying to mitigate.
Sleep is a lot of fun when you get old. That's my favorite thing to do, is just take naps and sleep.
Yeah,
Naps.
but you don't do that.
Naps are not fun.
Yeah, you
What do
can
you mean?
you say that, but you don't really obey this kind of stuff as well, I think. So
Oh
you
my
don't sleep, you
goodness.
don't eat, don't care of yourself. Why?
Oh my god. Not Kazi calling me completely out. Wow. I hope I'm going to be really rich by the time I'm 50. I wish wealth on all of us in our 50s. Because, hopefully we're smart enough to manage our money well by then. But I'm going to be at the club harassing everybody. I'm going to be in Miami harassing everybody.
Listen, as you said, by 50 you're gonna be the rich person, but I said you are going to be rich before stepping in 50. So don't worry, keep consistency.
Well,
And
thank you.
wait, no, I have a question.
A question?
Yeah, I have got a question. I got a news from America, that is American expert just finds a big issue with alcohol beverage. Now, which is causes of the cancer. The alcohol beverage.
Wow.
So what do you think about the matter?
It's true. Alcohol does cause cancer. It really does.
Oh,
Among other things. Cirrhosis. It breaks your liver down.
yeah.
It's just bad for you. Little man, you cannot do that. I'm serious. Hey, stop it. I hate having to get on to my kids.
Don't be stern to your kids.
Don't be stern.
No.
I'm gonna be soft with.
No.
Holy water.
Don't do.
Holy water. I'm throwing holy water at him. It's working.
Oh, it's okay? Listen to me. I got really cold for a couple of the days. So what do you do, especially when you get cold in your country? Do you get any medicine? Either you do use the home remedy?
Oh, a cold. Not really. It depends, what kind of cold. Cause you get head colds, chest colds, and stomach.
No, chest cold. I get a little bit
Chest
cough.
cold.
Yeah.
I learned a remedy from this. When salt touches the cell wall, it causes apoptosis, which is cell death. So what it is those little viruses, what you do is you boil salt water and make it very, very salty, and then the vapor, you inhale it, just take big breaths of the vapor, and you do it multiple times a day, and you'll recover in 2 or 3 days.
Oh, is it big enough to get healed from the cold?
Yeah, that's what I do every time.
Not bad. Yeah, I do also use the home remedy before getting in touch of medicine. Do you want to know that?
I do. Tell me.
Do you get honey?
Oh, yes, yes.
I think you like to have coffee or tea. So before mixing up all kinds of stuff, so get ready all elements like honey, lemon, and tea, and mixed up with all together just with hot water, and then use them a couple of the days. Dear, do you understand what I say?
Yes.
Thank you, dear. So I'm coming back soon. Okay, now I'm going to edit a video and then I will upload within a few minutes. Okay.
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 I will see you later.
From Gazi, everlasting love. And you know what? One thing, when you really smile on your face, radiates energy, to be honest, and I feel really so proud of you.
Bye, Gazi. Love you. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much for coming.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.